So Amazon has massive news for Dogecoin and its holders. In this video, I'll discuss all you need to know about this huge development, while taking a peek into the latest updates from the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about cryptocurrency and investing. So before coming to Amazon's update for Dogecoin, let's go through price analysis of the overall crypto market, starting with Bitcoin. So as per Bitcoin's weekly chart, despite the initial upward movement, Bitcoin formed a weekly candlestick with a long upper wick. This is sometimes interpreted as a bearish sign of increased selling pressure. However, Bitcoin is still trading above the $59,500 level, which corresponds to May's previous all-time high. The area provided resistance during the ascent and is now projected to provide support. Besides, weekly technical indications for Bitcoin are bullish. The MACD indicator is positive and growing, and this indicates that the short-term moving average is moving faster than the long-term moving average, which is another bullish indication. And Bitcoin's daily chart shows that it has been trending higher after reaching a high of $66,000 recently. Bitcoin is currently retracing its steps away from the $66,000 resistance zone. The uptrend's objective is to revisit and break above the prior high of $68,000. Overall, Bitcoin's price has been stabilizing above the $63,000 support level while fluctuating between $63,000 and $66,000. Meanwhile, legendary market maker and hedge fund billionaire Ken Griffin has warned that Bitcoin would soon be replaced by Ethereum, which in turn will be replaced by the next generation of cryptos. He said that payments with early generation cryptos, such as Bitcoin, are prohibitively expensive. And Bitcoin, like any other method of payment, contributes significantly to global warming. Hence, he believes that Ethereum will replace Bitcoin. And as per my opinion, I don't see this happening since recent upgrades and initiatives have worked on reducing transaction costs and optimizing mining processes for Bitcoin. And I think that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have their own perks and both are here to stay. And talking about Ethereum, its price has been hanging near an all-time high as the currency's demand increases. ETH is currently trading around $4,700, just below its all-time high of $4,900. Besides, its market value has surpassed $550 billion. And its daily chart indicates that the price of Ethereum has been in a consistent positive trend recently. However, a closer look shows that the price momentum has slowed quite a bit, and this was relatively expected since the price is approaching the key resistance at $5,000. Additionally, the price of ETH has risen above both its short and long-term moving averages, and it has gone above the important resistance level of $4,365, which was reached in May. As a result, I believe Ethereum's price will surge beyond $5,000 in the coming days. However, this is my personal outlook, and I'm not a financial advisor, so it is better that you don't rely on it and do your own research before investing in cryptos. And now let's come to the most important part of this video. So as we know that several big corporations, including AMC, Tesla, and others, have begun to accept crypto payments. Now Amazon has also taken a step further into the world of cryptos. According to the recent update by BitPay, Amazon will now accept purchases using cryptos, including Dogecoin and Bitcoin. The payment process on Amazon's website will be processed via BitPay. Now it's not surprising to see Amazon accepting Dogecoin, since we already know that Dogecoin is on the verge of achieving mass adoption, as major businesses are looking to accept it as a payment method. As mentioned in my recent video, big companies like Lowe's, McDonald's, and Walmart are planning to integrate BitPay as a payment method. And once it is integrated, these firms will start accepting Dogecoin as a payment method. And talking about Dogecoin's mass adoption, experts believe that Dogecoin is more suited for everyday transactions owing to its limitless supply and inflationary nature. And this is why we will soon see mass adoption of Dogecoin by a number of major businesses. Similarly, Dogecoin's 1.14.5 upgrade has been launched, which aims to reduce transaction costs, improve efficiency, and address security vulnerabilities in the Dogecoin network. As a result, the number of Dogecoin 1.14.5 nodes is rapidly increasing, indicating that acceptance of low-fee Doge is accelerating. Seeing this, it is highly likely that merchants that have integrated BitPay or are planning to integrate it will now accept Dogecoin, just like e-commerce giant Amazon. Now let's talk about rising crypto adoption throughout the world. So just recently, Damien Courvalin, managing director of Goldman Sachs Energy Research, stated that Bitcoin is a superior store of value to gold. He said that the value of crypto lies in its network, just as the value of oil is in its use. And gold, unlike diamonds and art, lacks this. Hence, it is just a defensive asset that can outperform over an extended length of time. So the remarks made by Damien Courvalin address a long-standing debate whether Bitcoin can truly replace gold as a store of value. Now it appears at a time when global inflation is surging, notably in the United States, demand for gold and Bitcoin is unavoidably increasing. Both gold and Bitcoin are trading around all-time highs. However, I think Bitcoin has outperformed gold during this rising inflation rate. And according to its market's insider report for the final week of October, the trend of large flows of money moving out of gold and into Bitcoin has resurfaced strongly in recent weeks, which supports my claim. Additionally, it appears that the crypto market has turned out to be a better asset class, especially during the rising inflation concerns. So according to McGlone, senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, crypto has a significant advantage over the stock market. He recently stated that the one benefit crypto offers over the stock market is its capacity to shake out excess leverage through abrupt plunges and recoveries. Besides, McGlone highlighted that cryptos like Bitcoin continue to create a firm foundation as crude oil and commodity prices indicate that peak inflation is near. All in all, it is now evident that when everyone is concerned over the rising inflation throughout the world, cryptos have turned out to be a hedge against it. Meanwhile, Mastercard has recently announced a partnership that would enable crypto payments in the Asia-Pacific area using physical or digital cards. In a recent announcement, the company claimed that this collaboration will result in the launch of Mastercard payment cards with crypto funding. As a result, consumers and businesses in the Asia-Pacific area will soon be able to apply for Mastercard credit, debit, or prepaid cards that will enable them to convert their cryptos quickly into fiat currencies that may be used anywhere in the globe. On the other hand, a recent survey conducted by the international financial consulting firm Verge Group has revealed there is a significant rise in young people's interest in crypto. According to the survey, 36% of millennials and 51% of Generation Z are willing to receive half of their income in cryptos rather than fiat currency. Additionally, Nigel Green, the company's CEO and founder, stated that youngsters are attracted to crypto as a result of the technological advancements that occurred when they were children. He said that they are the ones who comprehend the huge potential of crypto because they have been influenced by the enormous surge in innovation throughout their lives. Similarly, in another survey by Bakkt, a digital asset manager, they also confirmed the surge in interest in crypto among young people. According to the survey by Bakkt, younger Americans are more self-aware and spend much more in the crypto market than older generations. The survey revealed that millennials are the most engaged demographic when it comes to cryptos, and almost half of them stated that they have at least a quarter of their portfolios invested in crypto. Seeing this rising interest in cryptos, I see a huge potential for cryptos in the coming years. Besides, I'm more optimistic for Dogecoin since its popularity has been increasing more than any other crypto. Amazon accepting crypto is yet another example of it, so I think that cryptos like Doge are here to stay. Meanwhile, macro expert and CEO of Real Vision, Raoul Pal, believes that the crypto markets are on the verge of exponential expansion, up to 100 times. So Pal stated during a recent interview that crypto is gaining traction at a faster rate than any previous technology. He said that crypto has a current user base of 150 million with an annual adoption rate of 113%. He said that this growth rate is roughly twice as fast as the fastest adoption of any technology in recorded history, indicating that it is occurring at breakneck speed. Pal also stated that everybody is entering the crypto space, including institutions, sovereign wealth funds, private investors, and nation-states. And based on the scale of other traditional financial markets, Pal predicted that crypto markets will reach a total worth of $200 trillion in the next decade. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that the crypto market is capable of seeing this exponential growth? Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. Goodbye. Take care.